Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Logic Pro on iPad and starting a new song project. Select a drum or beat template so you don't wheel spin on routing. Templates give ready-made channel strips and samples. Once done, set tempo and time signature to lock the groove and add a small amount of swing if you want human feel. Make sure to name the project and enable iCloud backup. This prevents lost work. Now create an instrument or audio track and arm it for recording. You'll program drums using the step sequencer for tight patterns or play live with the drum pads for more feel. Layer a second kick or clap to fatten the low end and use velocity editing so hits breathe. This is why beats sound alive. Once your groove is solid, route drums to a bus and add gentle compression and EQ to glue frequencies. Use transient shapers sparingly to tame or enhance attack. Keep saving versions as you iterate so you can revert if needed. You now arrange the beat into sections, move clips, duplicate patterns, and create tension with breaks and fills. Once arranged, balance levels, use high-pass filters on non-bass elements, and automate filter sweeps or volume rides to add motion. Send returns for reverb and delay rather than inserting them on every track to save CPU. When satisfied, bounce stems or the full mix. Choose 24-bit WAV for highest fidelity. If export fails, restart the app and clear background apps. That usually frees resources and fixes stuck exports.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.